Today we arrived at a unit that has been freezing up. We determined that there's a leak. So first things first, we gauge up our high and our low side. We feel around. Have felt some oil here, and there you go. You see it bubble up. There you go. So our leak is right here. So next thing we're gonna do is recover this refrigerant the right way, and then fix that leak, pressure check, and vacuum. So now we have our recovery machine, our recovery tank hooked up. So we go from our gauges from our charging hose, goes into our recovery machine. Out of the recovery machine, you're gonna need an extra hose. This one right here, that's going into your low side of your recovery tank. I like to weigh the refrigerant that comes out so I can compare it to the data tag, which is 81 ounces. So we're gonna start the process. So I'm gonna zero out my scale. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my charging hose and the low side, and then I'm gonna turn on my machine. Of course, this is already open too. And now we wait. So the unit only had 1.14 pounds, that's 16 ounces per pound. So it had about 30 ounces, but you need 81 ounces. So it's definitely low. So now we're gonna go ahead and fix that leak, and then we'll be back. Get that solder pulled in. Now we pressure check. We pressure test it. No more bubbles. We're ready to vacuum and charge.